Steelmama are the professional manufacturer for roll forming machine in China. This video shows the production process of a high-quality Omega roll forming machine. Polished surface and heat treatment for molds can keep the molding plate surface smooth and not easy to be marked when stamping. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size and cut the target product. Ridge cap roll forming machine are used to provide the water system for buildings. Commitment: delivery within 45 days, 18-month warranty. Steelmama always give you proper solution.